The surf was running big, 5 to 7 foot waves, so Brian and I decided to paddle out from Channel Islands Harbor. Trying to time getting through 10-foot faces with a new GoPro tacked on the front of the kayak didn't seem like a great idea. Plus, the water was really cold. That's not to say there wasn't a modicum of excitement as we were leaving the harbor. Even from the lane camera angle, you can see as we passed the sailboat, things got kind of interesting. We're outside now and paddling parallel to the west-facing beach headed towards the port. I'm staying comfortably outside the big swells. Brian, as usual, is paddling quite a bit closer to the beach where you can kind of flirt with one of those big boys breaking on top of you. Me, I'm going with protecting the equipment as my excuse for being such a wimp. A cold bath on such a nice day? Not really. We're paddling south towards the opening of the port to see how the dredging and the pumping of the sand from the Channel Islands harbor to the Port Hueneme beach is coming along. It's been 3 years since the last time this was done. Since then, a half-mile stretch starting at the lighthouse and halfway to the pier has been totally swept away by the waves and the longshore current. With the way the camera is mounted on the kayak, unfortunately, you really can't quite get the perspective of just how big the waves are. But if you look to the right of the screen, you'll see them building. This tends to make you and your kayak feel really puny.
I tell you, coming around the side, the west facing beach is fucking huge. I mean, it's big. This is like, hello, hello. We're going right now as we speak. Compared to the other side. Start? Usually we start down, where the walkway starts. Usually we paddle out from there, but today, because this is the virgin breaking into the GoPro, we started off into the harbor to paddle out, so just testing it out and seeing it, you know. What's that, lad?
Kayak too, man.
Yeah, swimming hole.
Yeah.
I usually jump off here and swim down to the pier every day. You still can't see it. Can you see it?
You see where those two, that dozer is right there.
Right.
And there's a sand wall that comes down.
Roger.
It's just right on the other side of that. It's not
Oh, I see. It's hidden by the wall. The gushes, we can't see the gush.
Yeah, the way it's aimed, it's going right over the front, the bow. There we go, you're in the picture. And it's, with the glare, it's easier to look at the camera itself. And I can see exactly what's going on. You're right off to the left there. And it's working pretty good. We're getting a little bit of sun going.